What's going on, YouTube family? It's been a minute, but I'm back. In case you guys didn't know, BZ Rider for now. I plan on changing my name. But anyway, I know it's been a minute since I've been on here. Guys, I just gotta be honest. I screwed up, I messed up. I know my last video that I posted up was about new Z that was coming out, the Z Proto. And on that video, I talked briefly about the Z Proto, and then I start talking about the Z that I have as well. If you haven't, please make sure that you go and check out that video. It'll mean a lot. Also, if you guys aren't, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel, like this channel, turn on your bell notifications. I'm getting back to posting videos weekly. Well, there was a video that I was recording after I did the Z video, and that was going to be changing the air filter on CBR. During that video, I had a K&N filter. I put the filter in, started up, everything seemed like it was running good, but the bike has been running like crap ever since. Afterwards, I put the factory filter back in, started running good, but then when I went to go turn the bike around to take it for a ride, it started running bad again. And I have not been able to figure out the problem yet. I kind of lost motivation a little bit during that time. Got real busy. I know I'm making up excuses right now. You guys probably don't care about that, but I'm just being real. If I'm going to be a YouTuber, I want to at least be as honest as upfront with you guys as I can. I never really got a chance to go around and fix the bike or mess with it. Then, I don't know, maybe a month later or however much time has passed, here I am now. I'm back feeling motivated after that little hiatus that I took. Today I'm gonna work on the bike a little bit and see if I can figure out what's going on with this. Without further ado, let's get into this video, and I'm gonna start showing you guys what exactly I mean by the bike's running rough. Give me a sec to put this up on the tripod. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead, start the bike up so that way you can hear what I'm talking about. It has a very rough idle, feels like no power in between, like 1,000 to 2,500 RPMs. Idle is all over the place, jumps around. I'll show you. From that little clip right there, it seems like it's a bad misfire. I recently changed the plugs not that long ago, maybe about 1,500 miles ago. I did use the Iridium plugs that come factory with these, the NGK. I forget the part number, but I'll link that down below in the description. But anyways, like I said, I've already changed those recently. I don't think that I did anything to mess those up. I shouldn't have, at least. I took off the airbox, well, took all that stuff apart. Some debris that was in there, I vacuumed it out. Starting to think that maybe when I vacuumed it out, maybe something got knocked down inside one of the throttle bodies. I'm not really sure. We'll take it apart and see what's going on inside of there. I really don't know what we'll find out, but we'll see something. Let the fun times begin. Yeah, gotta take off all these plastics to get to the airbox. I love doing this. So now we are back to the airbox, in which it is very dirty, not dirty, in which is very dark down inside of here. Flashlight real quick. So yeah, like I said, it's very dark inside of here. And right now I'm just trying to see if I can find anything outside the ordinary. I got the factory filter in right now. Well, I'm gonna hook the computer back up, plug the battery back in, see how it runs when I start it with the airbox out. Well, the lid to the airbox out. Let's see. idle air temp sensor back in. I'll take the air filter back out.
NANI?!
Oh. Well, might have discovered something. Alright guys, so I think I might have found out what the problem was. You can see that it looks like there's some issues going on with my wiring harness. There's a bunch of wires that I see that are exposed and kind of snapped. I'm kind of thinking I might need to fix that. Good thing I'm an electrician. So yeah. Alright guys, well looks like I got a little bit of a problem to fix here. I think this is going to be a two-parter video, maybe 3 parts. Right now I'm about to go ahead and get started on wrapping up this part of the wiring harness that looks like it's been chewed up, ate up. Don't know what happened. Even if that's not the reason why my bike is running the way how it is, it still needs to be fixed. Like I said guys, I'm about to go ahead, take care of this. Guys, I'm going to see you all in the next part of this video when it comes out. After I get done fixing this up, which might take me a little bit, I will conclude this with another video. Wish me luck guys. Thanks again. My name is BZ Rider. For now, if you guys have an idea of what I should change my name to, please go ahead and just drop that down in the comments. I'll see you guys on the next one.